So, you're eyeing that cute new jacket from Kuipers Leiden and wondering, is this boutique actually legit in 2026, or is it just another online trap? Let's break it down, quick and honest. First, Kuipers Leiden isn't a fly-by-night operation. They've had a real shop in the heart of Leiden for over 20 years, and their social media is buzzing with fresh collections and happy local shoppers. That's a good start. But I have to be real. Recent reviews say things aren't all sunshine and rainbows. A few customers in late 2025 and early 2026 are reporting some worrying stuff. Shipping delays seem to be the biggest headache. People paid, waited weeks, and only got generic email updates. Not great, especially if you're expecting a quick fashion fix. There's also been some radio silence on order confirmations and invoices, leaving people anxious and refreshing their inboxes way too often. And here's a red flag you shouldn't ignore. Some boutiques in this niche have been caught dropshipping from China, which means long waits and sometimes clothes that don't match the pics. While Kuipers Leiden shows all the right signs of a real local business, these hiccups are worth your attention. So, how do you shop smart? Always pay with a credit card or PayPal. Both offer buyer protection if things go south. Check their return policy and make sure returns go to a Dutch address, not some mystery warehouse overseas. And before you buy, shoot them a message. If their reply is slow or just an auto response, consider it a warning light. Bottom line, Kuipers Leiden looks mostly legit, but recent glitches mean you should shop with your eyes open. Stay savvy, and don't let FOMO cloud your judgment. Fashion is fun, but your money's worth even more.